Okay. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I'm going to let that run for a minute. I just warming it up. I have a 8-foot, 4-inch red oak log on the mill. I'm not sure how, I did measure it, but I forgot how big it was. 13. So, it's, crap, what was it? 12 inches, 13 inches on the small end, 15 inches on the big end. Should yield us a 9-inch cant, perfectly square. We'll probably get a 10-inch cant because I'm going to leave some waning on it. I need 1-inch boards. I'm going to start stockpiling 1-inch boards. I've got a little stack over there. But I have a few projects coming up in the spring that are going to require some boards. So one will be the hay wagon. One of my friends needs some 1-inch boards for a roof for a deer blind. I also have a wall I need to build in our basement, and I'm going to use these 1-inch boards. So, all right, guys, let's get this going. 13. If we got a 10-inch cant, so we're probably going to get 8 or 9 of these boards, probably 10 inches wide. All right, let's see. It looks like a good log. I don't see a lot of knots on it. In fact, I see one little knot. Probably be pretty clear. I'll make sure you get some good views of this log. is why you put an auto feed on it. It's a simple process. Guys, I got that done, and that log was a big disappointment. You know, you never know what you're going to get in a log. Sometimes you get some amazing lumber, and sometimes you get a lemon. Just turned out to be a lemon. I did get a few boards. My blade did get pretty dull at the end. I was getting some fraying. I normally don't get much fraying on oak, and I was getting some fraying in the inside, but these will all be planed. You know, a lot of times I won't box around the center of oak, and you know, some guys will box around them. Sometimes I don't do that because a lot of times there's some nice quarter sawing right off the center, so I'll rip those off with the table saw. It's cold out here today. Oh, I'm getting my pile dwindled down. I've been cutting it up into firewood and for the little cabins and putting it in those IBC totes. You may have seen me doing that. I got a few more I got to fill up yet. Yeah, I think 3 or 4 more coming. Got a little source for them, but that'll do it, guys. Thanks for coming along, and you'll watch this pile grow over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be focusing on 1-bys because I think I'm going to need over 100 of them, 8 foot long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 14 total here. And some of them aren't going to be any good. Ready to go back in the house? We got to clean the mill first. Yeah, we got to get the mill cleaned up. Yeah. Yeah. You get the zoomies. Someone's got the zoomies. Hi. Come here. Oh, good dog. All right, let's get this done.